Hello guys, welcome to How to Fix Tech. In this video guys, we are going to learn how to map the network driver so that your family member or the office colleague can share the same folder and get the same resources, and you can share the data between them. So let's start without wasting your time guys. So first of all, you need to make sure that the network discovery is turned on your PC. So how to check that? We have to open here, just simply open here the network and look for network and internet. Okay, and network, and once you go to this option, network and sharing center. Open that up, and now once you here, you need to click on this option, change advanced sharing settings. And in here guys, this is very important, go to private first and make sure you turn on the network discovery. Do the same setting, turn on the file and printer. For the guest public, turn on network discovery, turn off the file and printing. This doesn't matter, printer and all networks. This is very important guys. You have to tick this option here, enable file sharing for 4256 encryption, and then turn off fast password protected sharing. So make sure you have turn on this setting, the same setting I have done it. So let's say I want to share this folder to another computer. So I want to make this share folder here, this one. So I have to right click there, or you can go with this one, internal D drive I'm going to share. So go to properties, go to sharing and go to advanced sharing and share this. Okay, and click on permission here, and everyone, make sure you give full permission to all. Apply, OK, apply and OK. Now it is shared. Now you can see the sign here, two head icons you can see here. So now D drive has been shared now. So you have to check the what is the IP address of my system. So you have to run here the command ipconfig and hit this command guys. And once you hit this command, you can see I have this IP address here. So I have to copy this, or I can remember this 1.3. Okay, and this is the computer I want to access the share drive from Windows 11 here. So I have already confirmed that its IP address is 1.3. So open the file explorer here same way, and this computer, and open the run command here before that, run, and simply double /, okay, and paste the IP address here 1.3 and click on OK. Now you should automatically get the credentials here. So put this computer credentials here, not your one. You have to put this computer credentials. It is clear now. So let me put here the username is user, and let me put the password here. And once this is done, you can remember this. Okay, now you can see we have shared the D drive from Windows 10 computer. Let me show you here again. This is the D drive guys. I have shared this D drive and I can access it from the Windows 11 PC. So you have to copy its path from up and copy this. Once you have copied this, go to your this PC and you have to map the drive here now. Let me close it. Just you have to right click on the this PC and then click on map network drive and simply paste the copy address, this one, // and this is the IP address. Make sure you put the // here, this is important, and reconnect at sign in. It should automatically connected. Click on finish. Now network drive have been mapped here. You can see network location and I can easily access it. Even if I restart my system, this one, I can easily access this. You can see. So this is how guys you can map the network drive. So hope this video useful for you guys. If this option is not working, you can do the same network and discovery setting in your Windows 11 PC also. So this is how you can do the setting here. Okay, so hope this video useful for you guys. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching how to fix tech.